how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, makeup, and just everything in the makeup realm. Unboxings, tutorials, hauls, reviews, and then of course my special effects. But today I wanted to take a trip down memory lane and do a second video to my very first video on YouTube when I used the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. To this day, it's still one of my favorite palettes. You can just see how loved it is, and I thought it would be fun not to recreate the first video, but just to do another look using this palette. So today's look is going to be just a natural, everyday kind of makeup look that you can do using this palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. Comments are super appreciated just so I can get in touch with you guys, answer any questions, and just chit chat down below. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Every person counts, and I want to thank everybody who has followed me on this journey this far. Also, if you want to check out my more special effects looks, you can check out my Instagram. That will pop up right here, and I will also link my social medias down below in my description box. And please follow me on TikTok, as I've made it past 10K now. I'm super excited, and I would love it if you guys would check me out over there as well. So let's hop into the video. Okay everyone, so I just washed my face. Now we're just going to prime it. I'm going to go in with the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So primed, ready to go. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. It looks like this, and I am in the shade Medium 85N. That pretty much goes for all Colourpop products in the shade that I am. And I'm just going to be taking that on a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe R6, and I always spritz it with a little bit of spray, and this time I'm going to be taking the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. I just recently got this in PR and I haven't really used it too much, so whoa, my voice. So here we go. I would say this foundation isn't very full coverage. I would say it's definitely buildable, but I'm just home today, so I'm going to just be doing like a nice and light, everyday kind of makeup, which is weird because if you know me in my videos, I always do colorful things, but we're just gonna kind of keep it simple today. If you want color, make sure to check out my other videos, as I have a ton of them, as you know. So, lots of things to watch. Since we used the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation, why not go in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer? I feel like I haven't really used this one in a while. Again, it's just kind of light, which that's kind of what we're going for today. So let's just stick with the theme. A little update that I've been doing with my concealer is I haven't been doing like the triangles. I've just been doing a little bit like on the inner corner, on the outer corner, and then I'll still take it around my nose because that's just where I tend to crease a little bit more. Then I'll put it on the top of my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin. And if I have a lighter concealer, I will do the middle of the brows, but this matches pretty well with my skin, so we're just gonna lay it nice and evenly in the spots that we just did. Then I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop. Man, this is turning out to be like a Colourpop video, but don't worry because we're going in with the Jeffree Star, as I said in the beginning of the video. But so this is the Colourpop F5 brush, and again, I'm just gonna spritz it a little bit. Next, we're going to be taking some setting powder, and this is the, oh, it's upside down. This is the Morphe. This is the Bake and Set Translucent Setting Powder. And then I'm taking the Morphe R13 little fluffy brush, and we're just gonna put on the powder in those spots. Next, I'm just going to be going in with the Morphe Lo-Fi palette. I've used this before on my channel. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to be taking the shades Donut and Debutante and mixing them a little bit. And I'm taking them on my Colourpop F3 brush. Next for blush, I'm going in with the Pixi by Petra. I haven't used this that much. I want to say the last time I really used this was on the video where I did a full face of Pixi, which I will link up here for you. But this is in the shade Peach Honey, and this is the Beauty Blush Duo. It has just a little bit of color and shine to it, so I figured this would be nice to go with our light look today. I do like it because it has like a bit of a highlight in it, which is nice. Moving on to the eyes, this is where the magic happens, you guys. So taking my PLouise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 02, I am just going to apply it with my finger. And here is the palette we're going to be working with. I wanted to go back and kind of do an updated video because my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette was the very first video I've done on YouTube. So it would be really cool if you guys would check that out after. I will link it above for you here. I have 125 videos on YouTube, so I think it would be really fun for you guys to check out the older stuff that maybe you haven't seen before. So I will probably be just working with this top row, and God, yeah, you can see how hard I went in on this shade. This is Safe Word. It's really pretty. It's great for a transition shade, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing right now. So going in with my Jeffree Star, what brush is this? This is the JS5. This is the bigger fluffy blending brush, and we're just going to take that Safe Word color and we're going to be blending it on our outer corner and up under our brow. Don't pay any attention to my brows because I need to pluck them or get them done. I like to drag it out a little bit. And I'm just moving it around in swirling motions. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Dominatrix. It's that dark brown shade at the very end, and I'm taking my Morphe M321 Bullet Crease brush, and we're gonna pop that in the corner and blend it up into our crease. Going back with our first fluffy brush, we're just going to blend it kind of all together a little bit. Not too much, just making it look a little more blended. And then for the lid, I think I want to use the shade Frosting, this gold color, and I am taking my MAC, I think it's the 242 brush, and we're just gonna pack it on our lid. Once that's done, you can do a little bit of a underlash, or you could just totally stop here. But I'm going to be taking that brown shade Dominatrix again and kind of mixing it with the Safe Word color and then putting that on our bottom lashes. Now that that's done, I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do my brows, my eyeliner, and my mascara. You can dress it up with lashes if you want to. I'm just having an easy day today, so I'm not going to be using any falsies, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final makeup look. For the brows, I filled in my brows a little bit darker just because I now have black and blue hair. And I went in with the Urban Decay 24/7 waterline pencil in the shade Legend. And then I used Fenty Beauty Full Frontal mascara. And the brows, I have been loving the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. And the lips, did I say what the lips were? The lips are Kylie Cosmetics, and this is the shade Dirty Peach. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for going down memory lane with me and kind of going off of my very first video on YouTube, which I linked in this video. And then I will also link it in my description box below so that you guys can check it out after you watch this one. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you've made it this far, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that I put out next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.